Hi everybody, I'm Peymon Motahede, the president of Freedom Law School, which I created in 1996. I will show you here how to recession proof your paycheck and give yourself a 10 to 25% or more raise guaranteed. Yes, folks, I know you're upset about the high cost of food and inflation that's killing Americans, as you can see. I know this makes you all very mad because it knocks you out, right? Very mad, and you want to just pull your hair out. You get a headache. Guess what? I got the answers for you. You'll be very happy. You're going to say, yes, this is what I've been looking for. Hang in, I'm going to show you right now, okay? Here's what you do, folks. IRS's website, the 10 for income tax form, it's for U.S. individuals, not everybody else, and that's not you. I'll show you why. Because the 1040 form instructions manual tells you right there that this form and these rules apply to all U.S. citizens, regardless of where they live and resident aliens. Well, that's not you. These U.S. citizens, I'm going to show you what that U.S. is in just a minute. Hang in there. Watch, okay? U.S., according to law, as published on the website of the U.S. House of Representatives, the official legal website of them, by their lawyers. This is it, folks. Title 26, the Internal Revenue Code. What is that? This is the book I'm holding in my hand. This is the actual federal tax laws in paper format. All this minutia of tissue thin, tiny font, I've cut through to relevant language that really matters. You will love this. Check this out, folks. Here it is. We're going to go to Source of Law, Title 26. It's the chapter on definitions, which is critical. And it tells you right here, when used in this title, which is Title 26, Internal Revenue Code. Let's go down. You see under 9 and 10, United States is only the states and the District of Columbia. And the term state is also includes only the District of Columbia. So yes, the term United States means basically only the District of Columbia, Washington, D.C. That means that you and I are U.S. citizens for nationality purposes, but for tax purposes, we are not U.S. citizens because of this very specific definition. See, folks, so now you understand better why in the Code of Federal Regulations, okay, at 1.1-1, tax on individuals, it tells us that Section 1 of the Internal Revenue Code imposes an income tax on the income of every individual who is a citizen or resident of the United States, which means a citizen or resident of, yes, folks, District of Columbia. If you're not a D.C. citizen, you don't owe the income tax. You can stop withholding on your paycheck, give yourself a raise 10 to 25% or maybe more right away. Yes, folks, I promise you, you'll be happy. You'll be excited. You're going to say, yes, you found the answers. And for the solutions, you want to go here to Freedom Law School's website. Yes, livefreenow.org is where you find the answers. And guess what, folks? On top of this, be sure to check out our platforms on Rumble and on Odyssey, folks. There, you're going to find more of our videos that shows you how to give yourself a pay raise. I show you how to stop the withholding of your income tax if you're an employee. If you're self-employed, even better. Just quit filing those 10 for income tax confession forms. A bonus I'll give you right now, that's the Supreme Court. Supreme Court tells us, folks, that these definitions are binding. Yes, Stelbeck versus Carhart tells us very clearly that when a statute of law includes an explicit definition like the ones you see, we must follow that definition, even if it varies from that term's ordinary meaning. Yes, see, I told you this is all right. This is completely right by the U.S. Supreme Court that the statutory definition of a term excludes unstated meanings of the term. The 50 states are not there. You are not a U.S. citizen for income tax purposes. You can be free and give yourself a 10 to 5% increase in your paycheck. now at livefreenow.org.